In last class, we have discussed about the structure of stage. Today, our topic is monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Anaya, open your camera. Okay, now I'm going to share some slides along with you, class. Keep your mic muted, everyone. First of all, keep your mic muted, everyone. I'm going to mute all your mics. Okay. Listen to me carefully. Keep your worksheet bag along with you, a rough copy and a pencil along with you to note down your lecture. Okay? Zayan, open your camera. Muhammad Saqib, open your camera. Keep your cameras open. Saqib, Zayan, open your camera. Good. Abdullah Danish, good. Saqib and Zayan. Okay, class. So let's start our topic. Today is our topic is about monocotyledons and dicotyledons plant. Okay, as we all know very well that monocotyledons and dicotyledons plant both are flowering plants. Okay, and flowering plants are also called angiosperms. Okay, class. So let's start our topic. Before going to about that what is monocotyledons and dicotyledons, first we have to know about that what is cotyledons. So let's discuss about cotyledons. What is cotyledon? A cotyledon is a leaf that is stored in a seed. Cotyledon is just like a leaf that is stored in a seed. ठीक है? When the sprout means जब ये grow करना start करते हैं, the cotyledons are the first leaf that the plant has. When the plant start into the growing condition, so the first leaf in the cotyledons are the plant has. Cotyledons provide the initial growth for the plant and as an energy source. Means cotyledons provide the initial growth. The initial growth of the plant provided by cotyledons and they act as the energy source of plant. Okay? Saqib, keep your camera open. I am ready to see you later. Now, next is monocotyledons and dicotyledons. We all know very well about it that monocotyledons have only one cotyledon or one seed leaf, and mono means one and di means two. Okay? Mono means one and di means two. Monocotyledons have only one seed and dicotyledons have two cotyledons or two seed leaves. Now look at the picture below. Look at the picture of monocot. They have only one seed leaf. They have only one seed leaf. Means from a single leaf, only a single leaf can grow. And from dicot plant, there are two seed leaves. You can see that in picture. Two seed leaves generate from dicot plant. Means they have two seeds. Okay. Now, next is look at the picture. Monocot and dicot plant. Look at the picture of monocot plant. They have only one seed. Seed coat is the outer covering of the seed. Seed coat is the outer covering of the seed. Endosperm. Angiosperm is the large surface area. Endosperm is the large surface area Endosperm is occupies the maximum space. Endosperm occupies a maximum space. Maximum space in the seed. This is the part of the seed which acts as a food store. Means in this part we can store the food. In this part we can store the food. Okay. Now next is leaf venation. Leaf venation. Leaf venation means the leaf of monocots and dicots look like. They have parallel veins. Look at the picture of monocot plant. This is the picture of monocot plant. They have parallel veins. They have parallel veins. They have parallel veins. Parallel veins means the veins present within the leaves. The veins never join any other veins. Means their veins are do not join with each other. The veins of monocot plants have parallel veins and their veins do not join with each other. Okay? Look at the picture of monocot leaf. Their veins are parallel veins and their veins never join with each other. Next is they have long cylinder shape. Look at the picture below. They have long cylinder shape. They have long cylinder shape. Now look at the picture of dicot plant. They have branch veins. Branch veins means from one single branch, many branches can be generated. Okay, you can see that in picture also. And they have broad shape. इनकी shape कैसी होती है? तो ये broad होती है. ठीक है? Okay. Now next is vascular bundles. Before going to know about vascular bundles, we have to know that what are vascular bundles. So, what are vascular bundles? Look at the picture below. Look at the a vascular bundle is a part of the transport system in vascular plants. The transport itself happens in vascular tissue, which exists in two forms, xylem and phloem. Both these tissues are present in a vascular bundle, which is addition will include supporting and protective tissue. Means xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem are the tissues of the plant. Okay, listen to me carefully. Xylem and phloem are the tissues of the plant, and they help plant in supporting and protection. Okay, they help plant in supporting and protection. Xylem and phloem both combine with each other to form vascular bundles. Xylem and phloem Xylem and phloem both combine with each other to form vascular bundles. Okay, so this is vascular bundles. Now look at the structure of vascular bundles. Epidermis is the outer layer of the vascular bundle. Look at the picture. Epidermis. Epidermis is the outer layer of the vascular bundle plant. Okay, and xylem and phloem. Look, xylem, the red part is the xylem and the blue part is the phloem. They both combine with each other to form vascular bundles. Okay, vascular bundles are used for supporting and protecting the plant. Vascular bundles are used to support and protecting the plants. Okay, Veja? All of you are clear? Abia? Yes, Abia. Say hi to me. Good. Humaira, are you able to understand my points? Say hi to me. Okay. Yes, Sinan. Are you able to understand the points? Just wave your hand. Just wave your hand, Sinan. Good. Very good. Now, back to the vascular bundles. That what are vascular bundles? In monocot and dicot plants. Their vascular bundles is scattered throughout the stem. I will show you. I will show the picture also. Just listen to me carefully. I will show the picture also. Just look at the lines. Their vascular bundles is scattered throughout the stem. यानी इनके जो vascular bundles होते हैं पूरे stem में scattered होते हैं, फैले हुए होते हैं, ठीक है? And monocot stem have most of their vascular bundles near the outside edge of the stem. और ज्यादातर मोनोकॉट के जो vascular bundles होते हैं वो उनके एजिस पे मिलते हैं. कहाँ मिलते हैं? उनके एजिस पे, ठीक है? Now the vascular bundles of dicot plants are arranged in a ring form. मोनोकॉट्स में स्कैटर्स हमारे पास जो वेस्कुलर बंडल्स होते हैं वो स्कैटर्ड होते हैं, मतलब फैले हुए होते हैं, ठीक है? एंड इन डाइकॉट प्लांट्स द वेस्कुलर बंडल्स आर इन अ रिंग फॉर्म, मतलब ये हमारे पास रिंग फॉर्म में होते हैं, ठीक है? सो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर द पिक्चर. प्लीज स्टॉप मैसेजिंग विद ईच अदर. Stop messaging with each other. I'm giving you the lecture now, so why are you talking with each other? Now I'm going to show the picture. See, this is the picture of monocot and dicot vascular bundle. See, this is the picture of monocot vascular bundle. All the seed is scattered. You can see that in the picture clearly. All the seeds are scattered. As I told you before, that all the seeds is scattered. All the seeds is scattered in the monocot plants. Okay. All the seeds is scattered in the monocot plants. And in dicot plants, they are formed in a ring. They form a ring. You can see that in picture. They form a ring. This is the ring of dicot plants. So this is the difference between vascular bundles in monocot and dicot plants. In monocot plants, the vascular bundles are in a scattered form. In dicot plants, they form a ring. Okay, so this is the difference between vascular bundles in monocot and dicot plants. Clear, all of you? Now come to the next slide. Petals. How the petals of monocot and dicot plants look like? मोनोकॉट एंड डाइकॉट प्लांट्स के पैटर्न्स किस तरह के दिखते हैं, किस तरह के होते हैं? सी, इन मोनोकॉट petals are present in multiples of threes. Multiples of threes means all the multiples of 3 means 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, just like the table of 3. This is a table of 3. All the multiples of 3 are the petals of monocot plants. Means you can see that picture. There are 3 petals. They may be 6, they may be 12, they may be 9, they may be 15, they may be 18. All the multiples of 3s are the petals of monocot, and they are arranged in this form. They will be arranged in this form. With these 3 sepals, 3 petals are arranged. Okay, so they are present in multiples of 3s. Okay, now in dicot plants. In dicot, petals are present in multiples of 4 or 5. Means the petals are present in 4 or 5. Maybe the 4, maybe 5. Okay. Look at the picture. Just like that. This is the picture of dicot plant, dicot flower. Their petals also look like. Means they are arranged in maybe in 4 or 5. All the multiples of 4 and 5 are the petals of dicot plants. Okay, clear? Again, I am repeating my point. The petals of monocots and dicot plants. In monocot, the petals are present in multiples of 3. means all the multiples of 3, maybe 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, or 18, 15. All the multiples of 3 are the petals of the monocot plant, and all the multiples of 4 or 5 are the petals of dicot plant. Okay. Now next is root system. What is the root system in monocot and dicot plants? What is the root system in monocot and dicot plants? Monocots have fibrous root system. See, see the difference between monocot root system, monocot and dicot plants. Monocots have fibrous root system. Okay, they have fibrous root system, and dicots have taproot system. So what are fibrous root and taproot? I am going to tell you that what are fibrous root system and what are taproot system. Okay, so monocots have fibrous root system and dicots have taproot system. Okay, so monocots have fibrous root grow from the main stem of the plant and does not have a primary root. Means from fibrous roots grow from the main stem of the plant. From the main stem of the plant, they can grow many roots. From the main stem of the plant, they can grow many roots, and they does not have a primary root. Monocot fibrous root में कोई primary root नहीं होती है. They do not have any primary root. They do not have any primary root. What? Fibrous root. Fibrous root do not have any primary root. Now let's talk about taproot system. Taproot has only one main and long root. They have only one main and long root, or they have a primary root system. Fibrous root do not have primary root system, and taproots have a primary root system. Now I am going to share the picture of taproot system. Look at the picture. Fibrous roots. From main stem, they can generate fibrous roots. देखें पिक्चर में देखिएगा, from one main stem they can generate fibrous roots. See, Humaira, look at the picture. From one main stem they can generate fibrous roots, many roots. Okay, and in dicot plants they have only one main root, and from one main root they can generate their roots. See, from only one main root they can generate their roots. See, they have only one root, and from that root they can generate many roots, but only on that root. Okay, these are the fibrous roots. They have many roots, and they have minimum roots from only one stem. Now, next, summary of the topic. What we have discussed. Summary of the topic. You can note down these points in your copy. The summary of the topic, what we have discussed today. Seed, the monocot seed have only one cotyledon. We have discussed it. Their roots, monocot have fibrous roots. Okay. Monocots have fibrous roots. If I will ask to you that give the difference between monocots and dicot plants, so you can easily differentiate with each other with the help of this picture. Okay. So monocots have fibrous roots. Their vascular bundles are scattered. As I showed you in diagram, their vascular bundles are scattered. Now stand up and sit down. Good. Their vascular bundles are scattered. Amsal, sit properly. Their vascular bundles are scattered, and their leaves have parallel veins. As I told you before, their leaves have the leaf of monocots have parallel veins, and their petals have multiples of trees. Okay? So this is the summary of monocot plant. Now look at the summary of dicot plants. They have two cotyledons. Two cotyledon means they have two seed roots. Okay? They have taproots, as I told you, They form ring. They form ring. Okay. They have net-like veins, means they form branch veins. They form branch veins. Okay. And flower, they have multiples of 4 or 5. They have multiples of 4 or 5. So we have discussed all these topics in our class today. Now look at the examples of monocots and dicot plants. Here are the some examples of monocots and dicot plants. Look at the picture below. Look at the picture. Monocots, sedges, grasses, grains, sweet potato, corn, lilies, orchids, onions, palm trees, etc. These are the few examples of monocot plants. Okay. If I will ask you the examples of monocots and dicot plants, so you can easily we can see over here with my recorded lecture. Okay. Now dicot plants, nut bearing plants, roses, all the roses we हमने roses देखे हुए हैं ना, so all the roses are dicot plants, okay, because they have four petals of 4 and 5, and they have multiples of 4 and 5 petals. Beans, cactus, cactus which are found in desert, okay, apple and oak trees, pumpkin, tobacco plant, grape vines, and poison ivy. These all are the examples of monocots and dicot plants. Okay, we have 10 minutes. So everyone take out your worksheet pen. Everyone take out your worksheet pen. Hurry up, fast. Everyone take out your worksheet pen. Everyone take out your worksheet pen. Hurry up. Ali Salman, why your camera is not open? Keep your camera open. Aryan, Mohammed Danish, Vania, Rija, Ali. Why your camera is not open? Anaya, open your camera. Rija, Mohammed Danish. Good everyone. Now I am going to share the picture of the worksheet bag of one monocot and dicot plants. Listen to me carefully that what will you do in this worksheet bag. Okay. Now I am going to share the picture of worksheet. That will be your homework. So look at this. Open this page in your worksheet pack. Comparing monocots and dicots. Open this page in your worksheet pack. Hurry up fast. Open this page in your worksheet pack. Good. Show me everyone. Everyone show me. Good. And everyone show me. Good. Mush, show me the picture of worksheet. Good. Excellent. Ali Salman, raise your worksheet. Ali Salman, are you sleeping? Good. Abdullah Danish, show me your worksheet. Very good. Anaya कहाँ गई? Anaya, show me your worksheet. Mohammed Danish. Very nice. Asghar, why your camera is not open? Open your camera. Asghar. And show me your worksheet pack. Okay. Now I am going to share the picture of worksheet pack. So मैं ये पढ़ रही हूँ, आप लोग सुनिएगा आप लोगों ने इसमें करना क्या है. आप लोगों ने करना क्या है इसमें. both first listen to me, both monocots and dicot seeds. अच्छा आप लोग देखिएगा, पेज को आगे करके देखिएगा, आपके पास एक पिक्चर बनी हुई होगी ड्राइंग के लिए. आप लोगों के पास एक पिक्चर बनी हुई होगी कलरिंग के लिए. मुझे वो पिक्चर शो कीजिए जरा. आप लोगों के पास एक पिक्चर बनी हुई होगी कलरिंग के लिए, मुझे वो पिक्चर शो कीजिएगा. जी दिस वन. नो नॉट दिस वन. कुछ रूट्स बने हुए होंगे, कुछ सीड्स बने हुए होंगे, आप लोगों के पास पिक्चर होगी. जी जी बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली दिस वन. अच्छा इस पिक्चर में आप लोग देखिएगा, आप लोगों के पास कुछ अल्फाबेट्स मेंशन होंगे, ए बी सी जी डी ई एफ है पिक्चर. गुड. ओके, सो आपने इन अल्फाबेट्स के थ्रू करना क्या है, आपने ये करना है कि मैं आप लोगों को समझा रही हूँ ये पूरी शीट, कि आप लोगों ने इस शीट को पूरा पढ़ना है। उसके बाद यू विल सॉल्व दिस वर्कशीट, you will this solve this worksheet along with the help of this paragraph that I am going to explain you. So now listen. Both monochord and dichord seeds develop in similar ways and have the same parts. There are a few minor differences between monochord start one seed leaf, as I told you, while dichots have two seed leaf. Okay, we have discussed all these points before. The technical word for seed leaf is cotyledon. Seed leaf is also called cotyledon. Seed leaf is also called cotyledon. अगर आप लोगों को अलग से नहीं लिखना है तो आप इसी वर्कशीट में इस पॉइंट्स को नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। You can find it on the coloring sheet. It is the first leaf to emerge from a developing seed. आप लोगों के पास जो कलरिंग वाली शीट है, जो कलरिंग वाली शीट जो अभी आप लोगों ने मुझे शो करी, आपने क्या करना है, जिसमें जितने भी कॉटलीडन्स है, मीन्स जितना भी जहाँ जहाँ आपके पास ए लेबल हुआ हुआ है, आपके पास जहाँ जहाँ ए लिखा हुआ है, उन तमाम पार्ट्स को आप किससे कलर करोगे, डार्क ग्रीन कलर से। ऑन द सीड्स डार्क ग्रीन, all the seeds color with dark green, and as the seed, both monocots and dicots are covered by a seed coat, and all the seed coat which label from B, जिसके ऊपर B लेबल हुआ है, उसको आप कलर करोगे येलो से, ठीक है। ओके, क्लियर हो गई मेरी बात क्लास? आप इसमें बख्शे में पढ़ के मुझसे क्वेश्चंस कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। The seed consists of the outside seed coat and a large area called endosperm. Water endosperm, which function as a source of reverse materials and food for the developing embryo. Okay. Now all the C part means all the endosperm color with blue. Color it with blue. Okay. All the parts, all the parts, all the parts. I think time is going to end, class. I will discuss this worksheet tomorrow, inshallah, and we will solve this worksheet tomorrow with live class. With live class, okay. In live class, we will solve this worksheet. So I'm going to unmute all your mic. If you want to ask any question, just ask me one by one. Yes, Mubashir. First of all, you will ask. Mubashir, unmute your mic.
मिस हम पूछ रहे हैं आप इसको पढ़कर ये वाली वर्कशीट हम करें।
जी, आप पूरा ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ोगे, उसके बाद इसमें जो क्वेश्चंस गिवन है आप वो सॉल्व करोगे, एंड जो कलरिंग आपने किस तरह से करनी है हर पार्ट में, वो आप इस पिक्चर को पढ़ोगे, पूरा पैराग्राफ को पूरा पढ़ोगे। उसके बाद विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस पैराग्राफ यू कैन इजीली सॉल्व दिस वर्कशीट। ओके, हम इस वर्कशीट को कल दोबारा से फिर से पढ़ेंगे। यस रिचा, अनम्यूट योर माइक।
टीचर ये आज हमें करना है?
No, this is not your today's homework. I will describe this worksheet tomorrow, and inshallah we will solve this worksheet tomorrow. Okay. Yes, anyone wants to ask any questions, so unmute your mouth and ask me a question. Amna Sheikh, what do you want to ask Amna? Amna? Amna?
Miss, I want to ask Miss, after this class, arts class होगी, because Miss, lots of students are having problem that we don't have timetable. That is our class, arts class will be on Monday or on what day?
If the art class will be happen, so a message will be appearing group. Okay, so don't worry about it. I will ask your art teacher and I'll let you know. Okay, anyone want to ask any question? We have only 5 minutes. Yes, Kush, what do you want to ask?
Miss, we have to complete this worksheet, and as well as we have to color on these roots and all.
Yes. Yes. With the help of this paragraph, we can solve this worksheet, but I will explain you this worksheet more tomorrow. I will solve it in tomorrow.
Miss, ये हमें आज करनी है?
No, today. I will explain you more about this worksheet tomorrow, and we'll solve it in tomorrow's class, inshallah. Yes, Yusra, do you want to ask any question?
No.
Okay. Saat. Okay, so time is up now, class. We have only 2 minutes. Only 19 participants are present today. Why? Why are so many students absent?
मैं शायद कुछ ने अभी वो लीव कर दिया हो.
Because they may be due to electricity problem.
teacher.
Okay, beta. So time is up now, class. The recorded lecture of my today's session will be uploaded in software. अब मैं software पे upload कर दूंगी, तो अगर आप लोगों को आज के lecture से related कुछ भी problem नहीं हो,
हमें complete करके ये postcard वाली complete करके आपको कल.
नो बेटा, अभी मैं कितनी बार कहूँ, हम ये वर्कशीट कल सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके?
Okay, miss.
Amna, what do you want to ask? Hurry up, fast.
ये 1 मिनट बाकी है.
Sorry, 1 minute रह गया. Yeah, I know. Okay, so take care all of yourself, class. Inshallah, we will meet tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, miss.
अल्लाह हाफिज.
Allah Hafiz.